What's up, everybody? Good morning to night shifters. Market up or down? The market was down today, kind of substantial. You'll see some news headlines and people freaking out, but the main sentiment is sideways. As you can see on the chart, we're firmly above the green line, and everything is good. So nothing to worry about. Remember to keep your mental in check and just follow your trading plan. So let's check the brokerage account out. And you see the tap sold. And if you missed the how to hack the PDT video, make sure you have the little bell clicked when you subscribe, because I'm doing this around the clock to show you with a small account how you can grind the money even faster. So let's go ahead and update our spreadsheet. We had SLGN 42.19 on the buy. Check. EPC 1975, check here, and tap out at 45.50. So let's see how we did. Oh, we made big money. Way over 1%. Way over 1%. That's why you can't use math to figure out what your projected returns will be. You just have to look at the market every day, ready to execute. Takes us up to $110.72 for the month. Not bad for an account where $10 a week goes in. That's only $40. So we've already overcoded that. And I'll double check this investing account, but apparently there's some boo-boos here, so we'll let the returns catch up to where we've invested. No worries there. But now the market was down, so we need to follow our trading plan. So the first step of the trading plan is to look for these stocks on the screener from smallest equity to largest. Okay? Which would mean this actually needs to get moved up. So when I say equity, here's what I mean. So you can see the sum of all the purchases is $113.65. And the sum of these purchases is $170.67. You want the smallest equity. That way math can be used to the fullest effect. So EPC and NOG, let's check out the screener. There's EPC. Let's go ahead and check, make sure everything still fits. There we go. We've got PEs are low, dividends are there, debt is under 4. So 1942 on EPC. Trying to keep the position size to 1% of the total account, which would be like $23. So we don't have enough to buy 2. Just going to buy 1. And since we're still in timeout, thanks to Juneteenth, we will not put a round trip order in. Those days will be closing to an end very quickly. Much more quickly than what you probably think. It's good to see that our efforts paid off. The market slid down today, but we sold TAP. So like I always say, the market does not have to go up for you to make money. You can pull money out of the markets no matter what it does. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours. And this is the active income portion of it. Trading is active income, like going to a job, except for it has a much better tax treatment. But then we use that to create passive income where we get money for doing nothing. That's the idea. So, back here, NOG. We're looking for NOG, CIVI, and SLGN. NOG is not there, CIVI's not there, SLGN still there. PEs are good. Dividends are good. Debt is very high, but it's under 4. 41.50 SLGN. I'm not worried that it keeps going down in price. I'm using math as my market advantage. We got a little late start today, but should these orders fill in the next 26 minutes, there will be how to hack the PDT video at some point after midnight. So make sure you're subscribed and have your bell notification on. You won't want to miss out on that. Limit order good till cancel with the extended hours. Check the confirmation screen and send the order. Okay, so we've got through that part of the trading plan. Make sure that's written down. Make sure it's next to you. So the next part of the trading plan is to go back and look for stocks in our universe. All right, so as we look through, Kimberly-Clark is in my universe. They make paper towels. I think they make diapers, stuff like that. You can see PEs are just a little too high for me. It is a high quality company, but even for those kind of companies, I'm going to hold out. All right, nothing else is in my universe. So now I'm just going to go through from top to bottom, and we'll go through this exercise together. And I'm looking for reasons to not take the trade. So immediately I see the PE is too high, move on to the next one. Most of these, the PE has been too high. This one was a debt problem. Look at the debt, it's over 4. Debt equals risk. So, Carrier, PEs are too high again. Darden Restaurants, PEs are too high as well. VPC we got. Four Corners Property Trust has a PEs too high. Again, this is a REIT. It's valued differently. I understand that. But I just keep my my system consistent. Humanetics, no dividend TTM. That is not all right with me. And you'll notice when I do the main account videos in the high account, high dividend account, we get into REITs over there. So that is way too high over here. You can see this over 5. Computer is a little choppy, but that is very high here. But again, it's a limited partnership. It's a different kind of asset. If you don't understand them, don't buy them. IRDM, PE is too high again. You add those up, divide by 2. You're looking for something under 15. Jack Henry, PEs are too high. Kellanova, PEs are too high. Keurig Dr. Pepper, PEs are too high, just barely. We already did Kimberly-Clark. K-View, I saw this was the Tylenol. They own Tylenol. PEs are too high here. They're in the news. Should it continue to drop and it fits the system, we'll trade it. But if not, we won't. TAP, we sold it today, so I can't buy it today. But we'll do this after midnight. It fits. You know, we have PEs, dividends are good, debt is very low, and we sold out on the green. Boom, come back down, and we'll get right back in, but we'll have to do that after midnight, so stay tuned there. And last but not least, we have Zoetis Drugs. PE's too high for me. So that's how I go through my system every day. Make sure your system is written down, and we'll keep on keeping on, and I'll walk you through it. So if you like that, hit the like on the video. I'd appreciate that. Subscribe, share this with your friends. We're still near all-time highs. If we have another down day, People will start to freak out. Keep your wits about you, follow your plan, and have it written down. And if I ask you to see it, you better be able to show it. But that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you after midnight.